Cooper Professional Education learning journeys are designed to be experiential, engaging, and super practical. There's lots of practice of everything we teach because we believe in learning by doing. We have fun because we believe that learning happens when people are engaged.
We covered so much material, but I didn't feel like there was a lot of lecturing, which was really nice.
We dig into real-world case studies and anecdotes, not just talk about theory.
It's a different feeling that you have. I mean, when you read through it, it makes logical sense, but actually doing it changes things completely.
And we discuss strategies for implementing all of these techniques across different organizational cultures so that you have everything that you need to have a meaningful impact on your organization.
Blew my expectations away just in terms of solid examples, things I can actually move on, not like hand-wavy sort of, design is important sort of statements.